Hey y'all, I have a really late Valentine's Day gift. Just FYI, I'm really grateful, and plus this is also from my aunt. First, she got me a Kate Spade New York makeup bag, which I cannot wait to use this because my makeup bag is falling apart right now. Next, I got this makeup mirror. And this one has a touch screen. And plus, the cool thing is that it has a little phone holder thingy, which will be very great. Well, very good for my tutorials and all that. And then the last thing is this. I've been wanting this for so long right now. So we're gonna go open it up real quick. So I was actually gonna save up money to get this. So yeah, which it's like this makeup case holder, which I've been seeing all over my For You page. So I really wanted to try it out and get one. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably do this, but I have to hurry up because someone's gonna go to my house for an hour and I have to go to gymnastics right after it. So I finally got it. There, now I finally got it. Okay. Now there's a lot of styrofoam. We're just gonna have to do it like this. Well, if it's gonna come out, hold on. Okay, here we go. And it's still in styrofoam. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And the cool, hold on. Oh, we got stuck on the leg. Oh. Okay. There. Ooh, it comes with another thing. How fancy. Okay, well, there. What is this? Hold on. We obviously have to cut it. Okay, what is this? It comes with another little package thing. It comes with another little package thingy. So I'm gonna go and open it and see what it is. Okay, it looks like it says it's makeup brushes, but it's like a makeup. Okay, so this is what came out from little box thingy. I think it's like a brush holder. And the coolest thing is that I can bring it anywhere. And that's it for my little haul. Bye guys. Mwah.